Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys by yourself. Playing solo means your success depends entirely on your own skill and strategy. Your main goal is to qualify through a series of chaotic rounds, aiming to be the last bean standing. Focus on mastering the core mechanics and understanding each game type to consistently advance towards the crown. To improve your solo game, adopt smart strategies. In race rounds, discover the quickest paths and shortcuts. For survival games, focus on staying calm and avoiding hazards rather than rushing. Pay close attention to how other players navigate obstacles. You can learn from their successes and, more importantly, their failures, helping you avoid similar pitfalls. Mastering your beans movement is crucial for solo success. The dive is a versatile tool, offering a burst of speed, extra distance for jumps, and a quick recovery from stumbles. Practice grabbing to hold onto ledges or interact with objects, giving you more control. Precise jump timing is also key for navigating moving platforms and avoiding tricky obstacles effectively. Reaching the final round is a huge achievement, and winning requires a focused approach. First, quickly identify which final game you are playing, as strategies vary greatly. Adapt your tactics to its specific mechanics, whether it's a race, survival, or logic challenge. Staying calm and making deliberate moves under pressure will significantly increase your chances of claiming that coveted crown.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.